787, 7 Alpha, contact ground, have a good flight.
7 Alpha ground, just for 787.
United 300 Heavy, push on Alpha is approved.
10 Alpha is approved, United 300 Heavy. The localizer on the left, maintain 3000, Roger 19 Zulu. JetBlue 1515, 170 knots to the bridge, contact tower. 170 on the bridge over to tower, 1550. Jazz 57 is going to maintain 4000, turn left heading 100. 4000, left turn heading 100, Jazz 557. 733, ground total clock 6 miles westbound, heavy train liner 4000 for the parallel, reporting traffic in the airport in sight. Have the field, looking for the 78. Oh, in sight now, United 733. 733, maintain visual separation, constantly turbulence, will maintain 4000. Maintain visual separation and caution wake turbulence will maintain 4000, that's 733. 567, expect maximal once you cross the localizer. Would we be cleared underneath the Bravo airspace at 7,900? Heavy draining Alpha, Mike for Bravo 11.
BG 870, ram enter spot 1, Mike 5 to the gate.
Enter spot 1, Mike 5 to the gate, BG 870.
Zulu to the MOC.
Alpha Delta Bravo, Zulu to MOC, 97 export.
Who else called?
Everything's good ground, United 821, approaching spot 8, ready for taxi with
United 821, runway 1 left, taxi via Alpha, hold short of Bravo 2.
Runway 1 left, Alpha, hold short, Bravo 2, United 821.
Ground engine 590 at signature with Bravo race taxi. 13 miles on the left.
Roger 19 Zulu Heavy 7 Tower, good afternoon, wind 31015, runway 28 left, clear the land.
28 left, Roger 19 Zulu.
Skywest 34D. Left heading 330, intercepts the 28 left localizer, and maintain 5,000, Skywest 34D.
567, south 10 o'clock, 6 miles westbound, heavy green liner 3000 for 28 left. Report traffic in the airport site. Traffic and airport site for Jazz 557. Jazz 557, maintain visual separation, caution wake turbulence, and fighting 330 across the localizer, maintain 3000. 330 across the localizer and maintain 3000, Jazz 557. 3488, traffic total clock 2 miles westbound, 4000.
Traffic inside Skywest 34D.
3488, maintain visual separation, so maintain 4000, airport 11 o'clock, 15 miles.
I just said maintain 4,000, maintain visual separation. We have the airport Skywest 3488.
3488, heading 310, clear visual approach to 8 left, maintain 180 knots or greater to the bridge.
Heading 310, clear visual approach to 8 left and maintain 1 degree of radius to the bridge. Skywest 3488.
406, northbound to 8 left, fly heading 350. Heading 350, Skywest 5406, speed 210. Good afternoon.
Obviously cleared, climb via the Santana.
Santana.
28 right at intersection Echo. Expect at 506 on departure to be the Santana 2 departure, Orca transition, climb via the Santana.
Santana 2, Orca transition, climb via the Santana. We are ready now.
17,4000, Skywest 5406.
Via the Diamond 3 out of 50280 with Alpha. 2, ground point 8, good day.
Taxi to spot 2, ground point 8, take 563, good day. Lambda Japan Air 57 Heavy, request pushback gate Alpha 2.
Japan Air 57 Heavy, ram, push approve, Mike 5 after BG.
Thailand Air 3885.
Richard 828, crossing 28 right, left turn Charlie, ground 1 complete, we'll see you.
28 right, left Charlie, ground point 8.
50 knot echo, please use high speed Tango. Thank you, United 293, traffic designated field on Delta, crossing 2 left, ground, thank you.
Cross to left on Delta, over ground, United.
Exit 306, crossing 2 right at Echo, contact ground, we'll see you.
28 right at Echo, over the ground on the other side, exit 306.
75.
60 Axwell and over tower for Jazz 557.
3488, maintain 180 knots until you're over the bridge, and caution late turbulence, there's a heavy jet short final, contact San Francisco.
Hi, 180 to the bridge and over to the tower, Skywest 3488. Have a good day.
Air Portugal 237, 10,000 feet down 6,000. Up to 10,000, Southwest 2034. Skies 5406, both bridges in field sight. Departure path 6 South Kilo with you leveling 2000, heading 170.
6 South Kilo, north departure, IDAM San Francisco, altimeter 2994.
Charlie, hold short of echo.
Heavy traffic 8 mile final is number, need 28 left line of weight, traffic will depart north.
Wait 28 left, United 58.
Safe flight 22, leaving class Bravo in 3 miles, radar service is terminated. Keep your code, contact San Carlos 119.0, good day.
Radar service is terminated, contact San Carlos 119.0, phase flight 22.
Tower Jazz 557, visual 28 right.
JetBlue 616, traffic will hold on runway 28 left, RNF tie-dye, wind 290 at 15, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
So for takeoff, runway 1 right, JetBlue 6.
United 1312, traffic will hold on runway 28 left, RNF stick, wind 28014, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
RNF stick, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff, United 1312.
Bridge 19 Zulu Heavy left there, ground point 8, see ya.
Bye-bye.
United 733, use Delta, hold short 28 up. Delta, hold short 28 up, United 733. United, correct, Delta 437, 721 right, line of weight, traffic will depart 9 left. Gas 4787, 731 left, line of weight, traffic will depart 9 left.
Left line of weight, that was 4787.
Gas 557, 7 car, cross McKim, heavy 777, low cars parallel, wind 31015, runway 28 right, clear line.
28 right, clear land, Jazz 557.
Gas 5406, 7 car, wind 31015, runway 28 left, clear line.
Skywest 5406.
Portugal 237 heavy, to maintain 5,000.
Descend, maintain 5,000, Portugal 237.
5406, contact San Francisco.
Or the tower, Skies 5406.
Portugal 237 heavy, maintain 180 knots, 4 greater, expedite your descent.
Expedite descent, get 180 or greater, Portugal 237. Inside 6 South Kilo.
6 South Kilo, maintain visual separation, contact with airline flying, maintain 5,000.
To 5,000, maintain visual 6 South Kilo. What runway can we expect?
1 right.
Thank you.
Let's wait right approach, maintain 210 knots.
738 right, 120 speed. 210 speed, United 1413.
37 heavy, trumpeting 010, maintain 4,000, traffic back.
Left heading 010, down 4,000 Portugal 237.
1413, traffic 11 o'clock, 8 miles northbound, left face 28 left, heavy 8330 ahead for the parallel runway. Copy, service for traffic today.
That is at 1413 we're looking.
300 ahead, we'll go. 31 X-ray, contact approach on 120.1, right back.
120 and 8,000,
Zulu Bravo 1 Alpha, good play.
Zulu Bravo, good way, 1.
90.
Bravo 2034 in our Cal approach, so welcome.
Altimeter 29994 and we have Bravo, Korean 8025. Expect visual, runway 28 left, Korean 8025 heavy.
6 South Kilo, turn left,
Left turn, direct Shui, 6 South Kilo.
3048, good day.
Delta 1515, traffic exiting upfield, Tango to Delta, cross nature left, ground plane, we'll see ya.
Service Delta, cross 28 left, W 50.
Delta 437, RNAV tie-dye, wind 28010, and 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff to a 1 right, Delta 437.
There's 4787, RNAV 6, wind 29014, and 1 left, clear for takeoff.
left 50,
Copy 563, 7 one left line 1, have the landing.
Cross over the bridge, Portugal 237 heavy, maintain 170 knots for greater until over the bridge. 170 or greater until over the bridge, Air Portugal 237 heavy. Understand, push through. Left at Delta for J Bravo 8.
JetBlue 1515, taxi via Bravo, hold short of Foxtrot 1. Your gate is blocked at the moment. It should be opening shortly, though.
Bravo and short of Foxtrot 1, and we'll just wait.
Yeah, somebody's pushed that blocked it, but they'll be taxiing away here in just a second.
Thank you.
Whiskey 2, traffic's in position, cross runway 1 right, cross runway 1 left, down Echo. American 2405, you'll be number 3 for departure, runway 1 right, line up away.
Line up away, runway 1 right, American number 2405.
Delta 437, contact NorCal departure, good day.
Departure Delta 437.
There's 4787, contact NorCal departure, have a great day.
Departure is 4787, great day. Oh, good afternoon, Portugal 237. Visual 1, 2, wait, left.
Air Portugal 237, heavy, 7 star, good afternoon, wind 31015, runway 28 left, clear the land.
Land is 2, wait, left, Air Portugal 237, heavy. Sister Tower United, 1413 with you, we're GNE for the FMS Bridge 28 right.
Rescue 2, you're observed clear of the 1. Talca 563, RNAV 6, wind 29014, anyone left, clear to take off.
Ready for takeoff, 1 left, RNAV 6, second 5.
Yeah, 821, 7 star, anyone left, line of away.
1 left, line of away, United 821.
Message 406, ground plane will see ya.
Okay, bye.
It's 733, cross 2 left to Delta, ground plane, good day.
Cross 2 left, Delta, ground plane 8, 733.
That's 567 on Echo, cross 2 left, ground plane, good day.
Echo, cross 28, right for, in the ground, just off it.
Cross 28 left, jet 567.
Sorry about that. 28 left, we're just off it.
Thank you. Exit jet 506, 7 star, need 28 right at Echo, line up away, traffic 7 mile final, 757.
Up away, runway 28, right at Echo, 65.
Yeah, 1413, 7 star, cross runway terminus for the heavy A330, heading to left for the parallel. Traffic to depart midfield to citation, wind 31016, need 28 right, clear land.
28 right, clear land, I got traffic side, United 1413.
And jet 590, contact NorCal departure, have a good one.
Departure 590. Yep.
Talca 563, contact NorCal departure, Buendia.
Departure Windia, thank you, 563. Approach, good afternoon, 392304, 15-5, descending via the Bodega 3.
2304, NorCal approach, South 13 on counter 4000,
So 15-3, descending down 11,000, we have Bravo for United 2304 heavy.
Bodega 5, United 821. Jet 506, RNAV King, wind 31017, runway 28 right at Echo, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff, RNAV King, Jet 506 on 2.
FedEx 641 Heavy, runway 1 right, taxi via Zulu, hold short of Sierra.
Zulu short of Sierra, FedEx 641 Heavy.
Box for you when you're about 7 miles north.
Copy, wind 7, copy that, point, at this point arrive when able. Climate view is Candle 5, as of 1000.
FedEx 3870 Heavy, NorCal departure, contact time unrestricted and maintain 10,000.
Unrestricted up to 10,000, FedEx 3870 Heavy.
563, heading to 280, vector traffic.
Let's get into 280, thank you, 563.
Captain Approach Delta 573 is on the RT transition for runway 28 right.
United 821 with you out of 900, flying to via 6 miles.
Right, 2994 at Abby will intercept the visual for 28 right, sorry guys, that's too slow. Roger, we're looking for United 2304 Heavy. Ooh, okay, thank you, 2304. heading 100, Korean Air 8025.
Okay, 48, contact there. Just down on the green.
1 right, taxi via Alpha 1.
Only 1 light, Alpha 1, Japan Air 57 Heavy.
57 Heavy, you can monitor tower 120.5.
Monitor 120.5, Japan Air 57 Heavy.
Air Portugal 237 Heavy, taxi via Bravo to the ramp.
Maintain 4,000.
Left turn heading 040.